In poultry farms, one of the most critical factors for maintaining bird health and promoting optimal growth is the precise control of temperature and ventilation. In this video, you'll discover a best practice model for installing a tunnel ventilation and cooling system specifically designed for poultry farms. In this setup, designed for poultry farms where window-based ducting isn't feasible, axial evaporative coolers are mounted on the hall's roof near the air intake, strategically spaced and secure on a sturdy basis. To connect the cooler's outlet to the channel, a durable canvas connector is used for a flexible and airtight seal. The ducts run horizontally into the headspace of the hall, distributing cool air evenly throughout the entire space via the end wall, ensuring optimal airflow and temperature control across the facility. What is an axial swamp cooler? Axial coolers move large volumes of air at low static pressure, making them ideal for cooling poultry farms. Key advantages include a straightforward installation, a direct drive fan system, and low maintenance requirements. KGY axial swamp coolers are available in two airflow capacities, 20,000 CFM and 35,000 CFM. Their special design blades generate a powerful and uniform airflow perfectly suited to challenging environments. Installation guidelines for axial coolers. Install in open shaded areas. Maintain at least 1 meter of clearance around the cooler for unrestricted air intake. Ensure the cooler base is solid and perfectly level. Avoid installation near pollutant sources. At the other end of the hall, industrial exhaust fans are installed to expel warm air, harmful gases such as ammonia and excess moisture. This tunnel ventilation design ensures highly effective air exchange, creating a standardized environment conducive to poultry growth. For effective ventilation, always use exhaust fans rated for a static pressure of at least 150 pascals. KGY fans are engineered specifically for demanding environments such as poultry farms. These fans, with 180 pascals static pressure, provide a uniform airflow with no dead zones. Constructed with precision CNC machine galvanized body and fan guard designed for easy maintenance, these fans offer durability and hassle-free service. Installation tips for exhaust fans. Maintain a minimum of 90 cm clearance from the floor and 50 cm from adjacent walls. Ensure equal spacing between multiple fans on the same wall. Install on a flat level surface. Secure the fan firmly to the wall to prevent vibration. Position the fan guard inside the hall and the damper outside. Select the number and type of fans based on airflow volume and air cooler capacity. For further information on poultry farms products, detailed installation instructions, or expert consultation, visit our website or contact KGY specialist.